Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see how to make grilled chicken breast. But before we start, if this is your first time here, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and let's cooking. First, let's see our ingredients. I have here 2 pieces of chicken breast cut in angles, 2 big spoons of olive oil, lemon juice, 4 chopped garlic cloves, 1 spoon of oregano, half spoon of 7 spices, half spoon of garlic powder, a quarter spoon of black pepper, and salt. These are our ingredients, and now let's see how to prepare our chicken. In a bowl, put the garlic, add over it the spices and the olive oil, the lemon juice, and mix all together. Then add the chicken breast in it, rub it a little bit, then cover it and leave it in the fridge for at least 2 hours. But it's better to leave it overnight. And this is our chicken the next day. Now let's see how to grill it. Over medium-high heat, put the grilled pan over it, put some butter, leave it until it's melted. Then add the chicken. Don't throw the leftover mixture that left in the bowl because we're gonna use it after that. Turn the heat down and leave the chicken cooking over slowly. Wait until the chicken is a little bit grilled from below, then turn it to the other side. If you see that the chicken became dry, add over it the mixture from the bowl or use the melted butter in the grilled, like you see in the video. Keep cooking the chicken from both sides, little by little, until it's done. And this is our chicken after it's done. Put it on the plate, put whatever you like beside it, and bon appetit. My friends, this is all for today. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment area. Thank you for watching and goodbye. Some of other recipes in our channel you might find interesting.